Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my video. And today we're going to talk about real stories part 3. Yeah, part 3. So when I was like, how old was I namin sa White Hills? Ma'am,
Year 4.
like the dancing ba?
What is 4? 3.5, 4. Which one is? Here in the house or in the party?
In the party.
We started dancing there at 4. Then
Okay.
6.
So I danced in a party when I was 4. And I did like a disco thing. Yeah, when I was just 4 guys. And there are a lot of people that praised me. And thanks to my mom, I was a little bit famous in White Hills for coming there every year. But we don't get paid.
But we got to.
Each for free. Just a buffet, guys.
I joined the games.
I joined the games also, guys. The fish is good. Ow. Okay. And that's how I got famous in White Hills. But now it's a private place. So, and also this year I cannot join because
There's no party.
there's no party.
No party.
No, there's no party, guys. And that's how I become famous. Then there. So nothing for this year.
Maybe you can share your video of your dance of Michael Jackson in White Hills.
Sure. After when I find that video again. There. Mm. Mom, the fish is delicious, mom.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, actually.
So, thank you guys for supporting me. Like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.